My name is Shiva Kumar. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in 2024. Afterwards, I am looking for job. I had know about Evision. Evision is an IT recruiting and consulting company where I got trained on several technologies under the guidance of IT administrators and faculty. In the training, I worked on several technologies like basic networking, Windows administration, virtualization, CCNA, cyber security, and ITIL, remote support, Outlook 365, etc. With the help of training sessions and mock interviews, I got placed in Insiza Technologies Pvt Ltd. with a salary package of 2.4. Thank you, Evision, for giving wonderful opportunity.